How to allow or restrict image creation with Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now in here, tap on Intelligence and Siri. Then we go to the top and tap on Image Creation. Tap on that. And from here, you can choose to allow or don't allow image creation. Now when asked to enter a screen time passcode, do so. And that's it. After tap on the back key, here it said Image Playground, Gmoji and Image Weighing will be disabled if image creation is turned off. The recommended age for this feature is 12 plus. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.